My days have grown so lonely, for I've lost my one and only. My pride has been humbled, da-da-dee-dee-doo, but I'm yours, body and soul. Oh, I was a mere sensation. My heart was caught with no foundation, although we have tumbled. But I'm yours, body and soul. But life before me, the future has told me, winter that's gray and old. Unless it's magic, the end will be tragic and echo the tale that's been told so often. My life relies upon you. What is the good? Am I without you? My castle has crumbled, but I'm yours, body and soul.